Hello! Did you ever search for a powerful generator to create your Java web application? Then you should try the Synconia Code Generator. Okay, what is the Synconia Code Generator? It is a plugin for the open source Eclipse Papyrus platform. Highly configurable by applying Synconia stereotypes to generate a fully functional Java web application based on the Spring Boot framework. How can you use the Synconia Code Generator? Download the Eclipse Papyrus platform, install the Generator plugin and import required packages, and then start modeling. Add the Synconia UML profile and the Synconia types to your workspace and create a new Papyrus project. Give it a name and configure the project to include the profile and types present in the workspace. Also import some other type libraries to use when modeling. Now the Synconia profile must be applied to the newly created project. Having done that, you can apply several stereotypes onto the model. We want to configure our project, so let's apply the project stereotype. Enter some project information like the base package, project name, project description, company name. This is the basic data needed by the generator to create your application. Let's create a new class diagram now. We also need a base package and set it as the root for the class diagram. Finally, we can start modeling. When your model is complete, it's time to run the code generator. To do that, right-click on the project in the Model Explorer and start the code generation. Refresh the projects folder and there is the source code for a complete Maven project. What has been generated? Of course, JPA entities to map your domain objects to the database. Data access objects to retrieve your domain objects from the database. Transactional services where you can put your domain logic. Data transfer objects or DTOs to send the data to the clients. Bean mappers and converters to map the DTOs to and from JPA entities, builder components to build your entities fluently, generator components to generate test data or to do data migration, RESTful services or endpoints to access your application, an authentication module based on the Java Web Token, an SQL schema generator to create your database, a mailer module to send emails to your customers, and of course, security. Let's create the application. Create a new Java project and copy the generated sources to it. Configure it to be a Maven project and update. Search for the application class and run it as a Java application. Yeah! There has also been generated an API definition which describes your REST interface. You can use Swagger to open that file and to explore your web application. Here you can see all the REST endpoints and schemas created by the code generator. We must authenticate to gain access by issuing user credentials, which are also generated when running the application in development mode. Enter username and password and get an access token which can be used to authenticate. Now we are authorized to do a get on the resources like that one for players. Oh, we get an empty list. There is no data in our database. You can create test data with our powerful Synconia data library, but I'll show you that in another video. Let's do a post instead by entering the data of an ice hockey player you probably know. The server responds with "created".